Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video here. I did buy this watch used, so maybe it's not a true unboxing, but whatever. It's new to me. This is a Island watch Monster. I forgot the model number, so I will be sure to put that in the description. And then I have a couple of Seiko Monsters as well, so I'll be doing a comparison video at some point here. Let's get this thing open and we'll check it out. I like how Mark is kind of copying all these iconic Seiko watches. Definitely a good strategy there for him. So let's get this open. Yes, looks very, very similar to a Seiko Monster. So I'm not sure which generation this one is mimicking, but I have a current Monster and then I have the previous generation, so we'll take a look at both of those in a future video. I don't know if this has pin and collar or if it has screwed links. Looks like it has screwed links. It's a screw here. The rest of these might be fixed, so hopefully I can... I don't know. Maybe I won't be able to get this to fit my wrist. So that'll be something to look at. Let me size this real quick, or I'll just do the micro adjust here. Hopefully I don't lose the spring bar on camera. Yeah, I think that may actually be might be a tad bit tight, but anyway, let's check this thing out on wrist. It's a nice colored dial here. I'll zoom back in a moment. Let's just zoom out, get a different perspective of it on wrist. Then we can check out this dial here. So yeah, very Seiko Monster-like. I like the minute numbers on this. A little bit unique. Oop, sorry, wrong way with the zoom. Looks like a curved, definitely nice curved crystal there, with some sapphire for sure. So let me know what color you think this is. Looks like teal, I guess, or turquoise. So anyway, just a quick unboxing. Screw down crown, of course. Nice knurled crown. Has the old Monster handset there. Day and date, so I'm sure this is NH 36 movement. English and Spanish. So yeah, I think that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. And leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch. and I'll talk to you guys soon.